What's good? So what's going on? So we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Police Surprise Shoplifting Trio After $8,000 Heist Gone Wrong." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
Stop, please! Put your hands behind your back and stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Excuse me, sir. Please don't grab me. I'm not running from nowhere.
Get over here.
You hurting me.
On the ground.
You hurting me.
August 3rd, 2024, Glenview, Illinois. A stolen van loaded with $8,000 in merchandise sets off a police chase that ends with 3 suspects in custody behind a church.
Whoever's the video editor did a great job in that intro.
Dispatch is
I think they going in that minivan.
570 vehicles not stopping. We're going westbound still, Westlake from Shermer. Going to be going northbound on Shermer.
They think they're getting away in the minivan.
Dispatch has been updated.
Caught giving up. It's a nice neighborhood though.
That vehicle has a blown front left tire. I'm not chasing anymore. It just pulled into the Willow Creek Church parking lot area.
Dispatch has been
5-7, that vehicle is going to be in the back parking lot here. Can be occupied by one male black and a female black.
All three running in the same direction. They should have split up.
Heading eastbound. Stop, please! Stop! Stop!
Big girl getting
Stop.
caught first.
Come here.
You got me.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind
I'm
your back.
pregnant. Please don't grab me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please don't grab me.
Put your hands behind your
I'm
back. Then.
pregnant. Please don't grab me.
Put your hands behind
I
your
am
back.
pregnant.
Then stop. Listen to me. Listen
What?
to me. Put your hands
Please
behind
don't.
your
Okay, can
back.
you walk me right here? I don't want to be back here with you. Can we walk up here? Just walk me up here. I'm good. I'm not going to
We're
run
going to
from
be
you, sir.
adjacent to the
I'm not
Willow
going
Creek
to run
Shermer
from you.
lot.
I'm right here.
Got 2 female blacks outstanding. I'm with one right now in the parking lot.
Can't run.
Come here.
I'm not going to run from you.
Just sit on the curb. All right? Just put your hands behind your back real quick.
I'm okay.
No. Put your hands behind your back.
Excuse me, sir.
Put your,
Please don't grab me.
put your hands behind your back.
Please don't grab me.
Get it together.
Until we figure out what's going on.
Let's go, man.
My arm is broke too, and I'm pregnant.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can I put this right here? Can I
Put your
put
hands
this right
behind your
here?
back.
She ain't acting right. Oh,
They
okay.
jumped the fence.
Are you good here?
Yeah. Here. Let me.
Can I go right here? I'm not going nowhere. I cannot drive. I'm not going nowhere.
Okay, you're not free to leave right
Okay,
now.
can you let me go?
Have a seat.
Can you let me go? I'm not going nowhere.
Okay,
sir. Can you
give
let
me
go?
1 second. Are the cuffs too tight right now?
Yes, and I'm pregnant.
That's not tight. You're good. I'm gonna lock them so they don't tighten up on you, okay? Yeah, 2 females just jumped the fence that way.
You want to stick around?
I'm good right now. Let me lock these real quick so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
I'm not going nowhere, sir.
Okay, just have a seat right here for
I don't
me.
want to sit. I'm pregnant. I can't sit down. I'm going to sit
Okay,
right here.
do you need
I'm
a
not
name?
going nowhere.
No, you can't go back in the car.
I'm not going back in the car.
Just stop walking
Can you
around.
let me go?
No.
Can you let me go?
No.
I'm not going nowhere.
Either have a seat.
Excuse me. I'm not going to run from you. I can't run from you. I'm in handcuffs. I'm not going anywhere, okay? I'm not going nowhere.
Just have a seat for me. Just relax. Do you need an ambulance at all?
No, just let me go.
Oh, just have a seat.
Can
Just-
you let me?
No.
I'm telling you, I can't sit down. I'm pregnant. Do you see my stomach? You can touch it if you want to. I'm
stand
going to
right
stand up. I'm okay. I'm not going anywhere.
Stand right here. Stand right here. All right. Just stay right there. Okay. Why are you guys running?
Because you put your, I'm trying to figure out why you pulled me over.
Who was driving?
Not me.
Who were your 2 other friends?
You got to find them and ask them.
So what are you guys doing in the
Give me
area?
my phone. I'm not going, sir. I cannot run from that.
You're not going in the car right now. I don't know what's in there. I haven't searched it yet or anything.
Can
Just
I put
have
my
a seat.
phone up?
Just stay right here. Hey, can you just check the car and make sure nobody else is in there?
Ain't nobody in there.
I don't know that.
Ain't nobody in
So.
there.
Was it just you 3?
Yeah. What y'all pull us over for?
Why?
Yeah.
So we had a shoplifting call in progress. Gave this vehicle, which is involved in prior incidences.
Prior.
Yeah.
I ain't never, no.
I'm not saying it was you. I'm just saying this
Right.
vehicle.
Okay.
Do you have any type of ID on you? No?
It never
Is there
happened.
anything in the vehicle that I should know about? Any illegals, weapons, drugs, or anything?
Why are you searching the vehicle?
There's a bunch of clothes with tags on it. What do you think?
I can't tell you nothing about it.
All right then.
But I'm saying that's okay.
So just so you understand, you're just being detained right now. You're not under arrest. You're just being detained. All right? Till we figure out what's going on. Stay over here.
Oh no, sir, you got me
You
handcuffed.
keep walking around.
I'm
Stay
looking
over
at the
here. I'm not
tire.
going to tell you again. I'm going to put you in the back of the squad car.
Listen, I'm not going nowhere. I'm looking at the tire. You okay?
It's blown. What do you need to look
understand
at?
you doing your job. I'm just looking at the tire. I understand.
Just
I get
stay
it.
still. Why do you keep going back in the car?
I'm not. I'm looking at the tire. I know I'm not. I can't go nowhere. So
Just come over here. Have a seat.
I'm
Just
pregnant. I can't
settle
sit
down
here.
and relax. There's no need to be walking around. All right? I'm trying to be cool with you, but you keep walking around.
You okay?
It's going to cause more issues. I think it was just the two other females. I only saw her and then two others.
You can't handcuff me to the car door or something.
No.
She too pregnant to have a seat, but she ain't too pregnant to run. Ain't that something?
Y'all car door?
No.
I told you I had messed up my arm. That's all. That's why.
Okay. Do you need an ambulance or anything?
I don't even know how to get some food.
Okay. Which arm?
This one.
Your right one?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you feeling any pain with it at all, or?
It's like it's easy to fall out of place.
Okay. But you're fine right now?
Okay.
Okay. If it starts hurting at any point, let us know. We can call an ambulance and have them take a look at you, okay? Yeah, right now the car's secure. There's a bunch of items with tags all over the car.
You good with her?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't going nowhere with this man. We might as well sit here and start
You
talking.
promise, right?
Where the f*** I'm gonna go?
All right.
I mean, people still run even when they're handcuffed, so.
I ain't need that thing, baby. It's already.
No, you gotta, no, because I don't want you grabbing anything.
What am I grabbing?
I don't know what's
Here,
back
get
there.
this. Ain't no f***. Come on now.
You just said you didn't want to sit down, right?
Yeah, but I don't know.
I thought she was too pregnant to sit, but she could sit in the car. Ain't that something? Put her in the back of the cop car. Like, can we stop this BS? Put her in the back of the cop car. She's doing too much moving around. If that was me, I'd be in the back of the cop car.
I don't feel good for
Cop
that, and I
is
told
too
you I was
nice.
pregnant.
Okay, and I get that. I asked you to sit on the curb. You didn't want to do that, but
That's a
now
little
you're
too-
sitting down here.
It's just low. That's really what it was. I really should have sat on the seat.
Okay. Do you want to sit in the squad car like this? You're not under arrest or anything right now. You're just being detained. Just tie her up. Leave the door open. Okay. I just don't want you digging around. Not saying that you're going to. I just don't want anybody digging around in the car. You know, so we don't know what's in there.
Nothing. So what we waiting on?
Well, we're still trying to find your other friends.
What
I'm
about
assuming.
me?
What was that?
What about me?
Well, you're just being detained right now until once everything is settled down, you know, we'll read everybody their rights and whatnot and figure out what's going on. She has some of her stuff in the bushes over there, too.
My
so,
shoes.
Yeah.
Shoes are over there? Okay.
I think it was her. I'd have to double check the video though, but it was 3 people total. This should be closer to the fence if you just walk straight. Should be sandals, I think.
Yeah.
You're still doing okay? No ambulance or anything? Okay.
What's the hook? I told you.
Yeah, we're towing the car.
They had a good head
What's that?
start,
Well,
man.
most likely it's going to be processed. I mean,
Would I get it back?
I can't really ask you questions right now because I haven't read you your rights, so I don't want to. It was just your slippers over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's people's personal belongings. It don't make no sense for me to tell no lies at this time.
Just stay
I need
over
you to
there.
stop trying to get your arm
It's okay. You
outside
think I'm-
the cuff.
First of all,
Okay? Look, you're literally squeezing out of it.
no, I wasn't. First of all, it's 5 of y'all. I am 6 months pregnant. I'm not running nowhere from y'all. I'm not going nowhere. I'm right here. Y'all got me. It's okay. I'm not going nowhere. I didn't even notice that until you said it. I'm not going nowhere. Where I'm going? What car? I'm 250 pounds solid. You probably what, 35? Ain't no outrunning you. So trust me. I ain't no stupid. I ain't stupid. I ain't going nowhere. You don't have to know you.
Sit her in the car for
Here, come over to this car with the lights on, okay? Would you want the windows open or do you prefer the AC?
I don't want the door closed, period.
Windows closed?
Huh?
You said windows closed or open?
I don't want the door closed, period.
So I'm going to keep it right here, okay?
Okay.
Hang it up or whatever.
All right, just have a seat, okay?
Meanwhile, another group of officers search the area where the suspects ran towards. They're located hiding in the backyard of a residence.
Why you grab my wig? I'm not running from nowhere.
Get over here.
I'm not running from nowhere.
Hands behind your back.
Okay.
Oh, they dumb. They dumb. Why are they running together? They should have split. It's way easy. It's harder for all of them to be found if they split up. But being caught together like that, rookies.
Let me go. I'm not going nowhere. Let me go.
Behind your back.
Let me go. I'm not listening to the rest. Let me go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me go.
You too.
I didn't go with you. I'm not going to get
You're
hurt.
too little. Okay, put your hand
Let me go. Just let me go.
No, put your hand back.
Just let me go.
Put your hand back.
Just let me go. Why you
right.
you being racist?
Sit down on the ground. Sit down on the ground.
Sit
Sit down
He
on the
hurting
ground.
me. He hurting me, babe. I'm not going nowhere. he hurting me.
Get on the ground.
You hurting me.
Put your hands behind
You're
your back.
hurting me.
I'm gonna
I'm
hurt
not
you.
resisting arrest. Just let me put my hands behind my back.
66,
All
3104,
right,
we got them
here.
both. If you send a
Put your
couple
other hand
more
down,
over.
man, before I
Look,
do
he got
it.
it. He got it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, you don't have to do me like that.
Turn around.
All right, stand up.
Can I raise my hair up or you lock my hair? Can I lock my hair up first?
Yeah, something like that. Either that or next door.
Yeah, I'll get it. I get it. I'm not going nowhere, sir.
I'm gonna get it.
I'm on the phone.
All right, that's cool.
Hello? Can you put it up? Can
You
you
on
put
the
it
phone
up?
with the person that was driving?
No.
No? All right.
How do I be on person they driving? Y'all call her.
5-7, how many bailed out?
Hot car.
That's not a hard car, baby.
It's not?
It's wanted.
No.
Well, the plates are, well, it's wanted, definitely wanted.
9027.
You get my wig, they can snatch off my head.
I will be glad to get your weave. Why are you laughing at?
Could you snatch it off my head?
There's a bunch of items with
If you
tags.
could find the cuffs back to Northbrook at some point.
You got it, boss. Appreciate your help.
I'm not gonna run.
I know, but I gotta make sure you don't fall either. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because you're out of breath.
She had my phone. Am I able to give my phone later?
Who has your phone?
The driver. I didn't go in with
Who, the chick?
Yeah.
Here, I'll do you one better. How about?
You have one detained in the parking lot.
There we go. How about that?
You heard me?
What's up?
It was a pink iPhone.
Pink iPhone, where is it at?
It was in our car.
In the car?
Yeah.
All right, we'll look for it.
You'll be able to get it?
Yeah, I'm
That's a nice officer, because if I was the officer, I would have cut it off her. I ain't gonna lie. I would have cut that strap, man. Just for trying to make me run and have to play hide and go seek and all that, man. I would have cut that thing right off her. Cut that bag strap, man.
sure we will. Unless you dropped it somewhere.
Don't be telling me no lies.
Yeah, we're gonna go that way. We're gonna go that way. Hey, I'll be by my car.
You got anything else on you?
No.
All right, I'm gonna take that.
Female officer request for some searches.
All right,
I'm not
give me
going
one
nowhere. I'm
second.
in your custody.
All right, give me 1 second, all right? So I gotta make sure they don't get no tighter on you.
Tight as hell. You acting like I'm running away. I know I'm little, but they're tight on my hand.
Well, I mean, put it further down on your wrist.
Look, this one. Just this one.
Because you keep turning your wrist. Don't let it ride up, otherwise it's gonna keep doing that.
We're going to be here
Can I
for a
use
minute
my phone
anyway.
while I'm in here?
No, that's not gonna happen right now.
Why?
Because it's not gonna happen. Once we figure out what's going on, if you come back to the station with us, then you use your phone at the station. Or you can call somebody from the
I know we're
station.
going back to the station.
54
Well, not right now.
27. Why don't you come back
Why?
over here and sit with your
Because we gotta figure out what's going on.
What you mean?
We gotta figure out what's going on. I'm just gonna put this on you. We're gonna take a ride up to my other partner up there.
59 from 27.
We gotta wait for a female officer to come out here, okay?
Okay.
Shania Price was charged with felony retail theft, fleeing police, reckless driving, obstructing a peace officer, and multiple traffic violations. Jedariah Brown was charged with felony retail theft and obstructing a peace officer. Elise Christian was charged with felony retail theft, obstructing a peace officer, obstructing identification, and was also wanted on 3 outstanding warrants from Illinois and Kentucky.
Illinois and Kentucky, 3 warrants? She's cooked. And she's bringing a child into this world. Oh, man, I feel bad for that kid, man. Them cops, man. I don't know. The one cop was way too nice. The first one, he was too nice. I ain't gonna lie. But I give him a 3. They did a good job. I give him a 3.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.